Aloha, this is cycle 3, week 4, and we're doing timeline. To sign this, we're gonna start with 1000 BC. 1, and then you're gonna make 1,000. You're gonna make all your fingers go into your hand. 1000 BC. 1000 BC. Early Native Americans. For early Native Americans, you're gonna make an F for their feathers, and you're gonna touch your nose and connect it to your ear. Early Native Americans. Israel divides into 2 kingdoms. To do that, we're gonna go Israel divides into 2 kingdoms. Homer and Hesiod. We're gonna make an ASLH. So an ASLH is 2 fingers here and then your thumb behind it. Say Homer and Hesiod. Rome founded. For Rome, we're just gonna cross our fingers. And for founded, we're gonna grab our flag and we're gonna put it into the land. We're gonna make a land with our other arm, and we're gonna grab the flag and found it. Rome founded. Rome was founded by Romulus and Remus. We're gonna put another R and another R. Romulus and Remus. Rome founded by Romulus and Remus. Now for Israel falls to Assyria. We're gonna do an I, Israel, falls. And remember, we did Assyria before. Assyria is a bow. So Israel falls to Assyria. We're gonna do Assyria falls to Babylon. Make your L's on your palm. Assyria falls to Babylon. Lao-Tzu, Confucius, and Buddha. We are going to make the sign for philosopher. We're gonna do a P. So a P is a K, a sign language K, but we're just gonna flip it upside down. So it looks like 2 fingers and then you put your thumb in the middle. To do that, we're gonna make it a P, and we're just going to make it around our face 3 times. Lao-Tzu, Confucius, and Buddha. 1000 BC, 1000 BC, early Native Americans. Israel divides into 2 kingdoms, Homer and Hesiod. Rome founded by Romulus and Remus. Israel falls to Assyria. Assyria falls to Babylon. Lao-Tzu, Confucius, Buddha.